We're off to Waitrose to do the parrot food shopping for under £20, the fruit and veg. Let's go. So we have some pomegranate, some baby spinach, some sugar snaps, some runner beans, 3 red peppers, some boiled rocket, some celery, some bananas and some red peppers. So let's go and take this to the till and see how much it comes to. So I just come out of Waitrose, and that bit of shopping that you saw that I was getting for the parrots come to £20 and 98p. So I was over my limit by 98p, but that's not bad, is it?